Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things. Week 11, Assignment 11. So the first question is, what is the utility of Dexcom? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is C. To monitor glucose levels continuously and notify abnormalities. Now the second question is, which of the following represents an IoT based blood pressure monitoring system? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is A. iHealth BP5. Now the third question is, which of the following is a key security requirement in IIoT healthcare? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is A. Confidentiality, integrity, authentication, availability. Now the fourth question is, what is a major benefit of a digital power plant using IIoT? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is C. Now the fifth question is, which network is primarily used for in-home IoT devices in a smart grid? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is B. Home area network. Now the sixth question is, which component of the advanced metering infrastructure is responsible for analyzing the collected data? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is B. Metadata management system. Now the seventh question is, what type of RFID tag has an onboard battery but no active transmitter? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C. Semi-passive. Now the eighth question is, which of the following is not a key requirement for effective inventory management? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is C. Increase inventory management cost. Now the ninth question is, which of the following is a major limitation of barcodes compared to RFID tags? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is D. All of these. Now the tenth question is, which of the following does not represent a type of network security? So these are the option and the answer of our tenth question is D. Predictive maintenance of HVAC systems. Now the 11th question is, what does integrity in software security ensure? So these are the option and the answer of our 11th question is A. Assurance of data accuracy and consistency throughout its life cycle. Now the 12th question is, which of the following is not a major risk associated with AR/VR in industrial applications? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is D. Reduced risk of accidents and improves worker safety. Now, the 13th question is, which of the following does not represent a typical application of analytics in facility management? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is C. Now, the 14th question is, which is a key benefit of IoT based facility management? So these are the option and the answer of our 14th question is B. Real-time tracking and better customer experience. Now the 15th question is, fill in the blanks. Desk is one of the example of the IoT-based body temperature monitoring device that takes into account the age, temperature, and symptoms of the two patient to provide suggestion for the appropriate medicines or alert doctor. So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is A. Kinsa. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.